But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear. Guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know the thing go. So, one must always wonder why we always look like we don't know nobody. We're broke.
We're broke ass niggas, yeah.
We broke. We broke. There you go. Your jaw scratches stiff. Damn. Alright, what I know. So today we're gonna do smash, marry, or kill. Smash, marry, or kill. Right? Celebrities. So Kitty gone on a phone call. We are gonna start until she come back. So the first one is what name?
August Alzheimer.
August Alzheimer's. August Alzheimer. No ladies, you know that smash past or kill this man yeah. In cute, he look good.
Smash.
Me not marry this though. Smash for me too. Give me some deals. Me not smash August. Me could do Who this?
Sika.
Kill.
That kill Sika?
Mm-hmm. Kill him. What you do him?
I kill him.
You kill him?
Mm-hmm.
Kitty?
He look like
You
bad
kill
man.
Sika Rhyme?
Nah, make him kill me first.
Right through.
You kill
And then chop him.
Kitty said she not trappy. Who this one yeah?
Deep dry.
Deep dry.
Marry.
Deep dry.
Nice buds.
In cute, so me not married to him though, but I'm probably maybe half a smash him. Deep dry. Smash. Kitty, we are do deep dry. Smash. Idiot. That one you know.
Jesus!
Shensia man. One of the your message. Oh. One of the Shensia man. Where the Shensia man?
Why? No.
You're not cute though.
Him nice D.
Him not ugly, but him not all that like. You know what? I don't know, me I kill that one here too. But you personally, you can't come up with my experience. Like, you can't think like where you wouldn't do him. You personally, you wouldn't do him.
Smash.
Yeah, smash him. Where you do him?
Oh, everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Kitty, I do him everything. Me I kill him blood clot. I don't want you.
Me like him.
Ah! Dead, this dead, you know. That dead. What you do now, yeah? This dead. Dead like a dog, man. Not have blood clot. What you do him?
I would have choppy fucker.
Will you marry me? Oh my God. I think I'm in love again.
Me I married him.
We had him.
Me a
Smash, marry, or
or married.
kill. Smash, or married, kid, Tanis.
Married.
Married.
Very nice. No?
Me
You know,
love.
I smash him.
Me love long time. Now ask
So when
Jesus.
you married, we don't smash.
Me
You smash before you
Me a
married.
smash then marry like yeah.
That dead.
Like dog.
Me I go poison him.
Run with the boy. No, Dexter. We're gonna kill you. And you
Me
first
that
kill
poison
him.
him.
And you first say notice him.
Yeah.
Me I kill him.
Yeah. You done dead. You
Me I
done
kill
dead.
him.
Cartel. We
Chris
Cartel.
Brown.
Me like Chris Brown. Me that smash him.
Give me my ring. What my ring there? Me already married, you know. Me gone to the dogs, you know.
Me that
Me
smash
all me
Chris
titty for them
Brown.
turn up stiff to Ross for that one, yeah.
He hot, you know?
Chris.
Girl,
No.
this time boy I give my body a buzz right. I saw me I go on. That boy I put a shock to my system. Chris Brown, me like your body bad. Somebody give me Chris Brown number, they do know.
119 if you're looking for 10.
That's okay, mama.
I
What you do with him?
Girl, you can't hear that.
Married.
Smash him.
Yeah, smash. Yeah, where's the Tanis breed?
Married.
Oh, Tanis are married. You can't marry my man.
You don't marry
They
Sama.
Then done? Yes, I talk. Kitty give me for you now. You ever the pan blood clot video calling?
Then she not always
People
have
can always catch you anyway you're there and just kill yourself.
No girl can't do that.
Of course, then people afraid of you.
No girl can't do that.
Who this?
Jamil.
Kill me, I kill that. Me don't know him.
Me I kill him too.
Me don't know him. Me don't know.
Something about him too.
Something about him, yeah. Who this? Governor? Keisha husband.
Kill him!
Keisha
Girl, she got me a
husband.
chat too much.
I
Me a kill him.
I true, Governor, you
Me a
can't
kill
keep
him.
your mouth. Governor, you can't keep your mouth. You chat too much.
Baby father.
Hey, I'm making trip me na me mole. Nah do it, Governor. We nah do it. Lord God. Kitty.
Adija Palmer. Alright.
Pass. A pass, Professor?
Why?
Nothing. I killing him. I killing him. No, you have to kill them, you know. It's either married, smash, or kill. Remember, so I kill for
Me
me.
not smash him. Me not kill the world dog. I know
Yeah.
say general that.
I work at the boss, but I'm my boss, so not musically.
That's
Like,
smashing, but me not married or kill him.
Me not married him. That's a one touch.
yeah, you can't marry him. Who this? Virgin.
Version! Boop, 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 boop. Well,
Kill.
Dead.
I don't care what nobody wants to say. Me like version. Would I smash him?
Smash. Okay. Blood clot, he dead.
No, I'm about that.
Yeah.
You're dead as rust.
You're
No,
dead
sir.
for real,
Brother.
That will never happen.
You're dead. Dead.
Kenny's gonna kill you.
Girl, me love the Emmanuel and mash him,
Yeah,
smash
and Kenny's
him.
gonna have problems. She gonna murder you for your boyfriend.
Kitty married Gio there.
Straight up.
I'm stressed out.
I'm proud of myself.
Lord Jesus. Dead for me though. I don't like just dead. Me know this is how we dead. Me not like when look.
He dead
That
long
the
time.
one? I pass on that one, yeah.
He
I
dead.
can't
man.
pass a kill, smash, or married, guys. Gotta
He
kill,
dead.
smash, or married.
He dead because look on him. He just look. Oh God.
So he dead. Family.
Jesus Christ. Me, I married and smash him.
Married and smash Kitty. What you do?
I go to the door.
Me I kill him too.
Put the demon them in a bit, how man.
This dead long time. How this? Who this? Who this? Who this is? Who this be?
Javilad and done.
Well side government.
Well, me don't know them, so them dead.
Well,
Me like Javilad. Me don't give him a fuck.
Yeah.
for one touch.
Me mean
Smash. Smash.
For
Smash.
one smash.
Alright, smash. Malkaline.
Yeah,
Alkaline.
That dead.
That
Mankaline.
That dead.
They have to look clean.
Wrong smarty.
That dead.
Two
No, sir, me don't know. So, me not like
Two
alkaline.
stick.
Oh, the sticker rhymes again?
Oh, you do sticker rhymes already?
Yeah, but me did pass. Me did kill him.
Me dead him already too. And me can't deal with him and deal with the dog.
Oh.
Roar.
Woo! Me just a cook. Me just smash you.
Me don't like him.
Papi.
Me just a cook.
Me don't pass. Me don't kill him. Me
Popcorn, alright. That one is cute.
A Javilad.
Javilani.
I met his
Javilani.
I met her saying, what's the meaning of the town?
Javilani.
I smash Javi.
He have a little looks. He can smash, but not married or.
Just one thing, you know, one night stand.
dead, he dead.
Alright, so
Intense. My stomach not so strong.
me just like him foot them, so me look for him.
Say that smash him.
Smash me granny. Look for
Can
him.
you say that
me
smash
nice
him saying?
thing.
No, me I kill him.
Talk the truth.
Me I kill him.
Kill him? What you say?
Me kill him long
Kill
time
him.
before picture
Well,
him
intense, you're
out.
dead tree. You're dead for real, brother.
Three are dead.
So which one this kitty?
I
Wasp.
love him that.
See what's here? The last picture. What's again?
Oh, we doing
Intense brother.
He-
Tiffany's. Smash her pa. Smash killer married.
Kill.
Kitty.
My stomach not so strong.
Your stomach. That the drunk on stomach there.
Nothing wrong with the boy, no?
Nothing wrong with what's with you. I just see nose kind of heavy.
The boy nice, you know, girl.
But what's nose not big, obvious.
I told him.
You have to just look on him. I him do it, you know, cause when him a take a picture, like him take a picture of them so. I make his nose look big. His nose not big, like, you know, yeah. What's look real, what's look nice. I know the red, I don't rate him.
When we do it, we give him.
5. He no look no way, he can't
He
go on.
nice, the boy stand up sexy so thick. Can I get a wow?
Him can just all of that, yes, but
Yeah, she don't want him, she kill him. Argument done. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. What next?
We don't smash. How many? Where about him? Where we go yesterday? I don't smash him.
Caution!
Caution.
Ah! Bam, 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 bam! They have to go tell Caution this.
Caution.
well, as long as
We know business.
As long as what?
alright, yeah.
They must smash your Caution. What about Virgo? You don't smash Virgo?
Nah, but I kill him.
What about the... Don't call out him. Oh, tell me yes, who me say.
Me last.
Oh. We not give him no hype.
No. You that
Dead! Bullet! Bow!
pew pew pew.
Yeah. Pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. Get chopper. Bra-da-da-da-da. It's a chopper.
What next one here? We have more than man. We have. You have Ace God. You don't smash
Ace
him.
God.
Yeah.
Kill me, I kill that.
That dead for real.
Kitty said that kid your blood clot. You dead for real.
Which other one we have?
Skillful.
You don't fuck skillful to name so.
You know from skillful that is?
Oh!
Skillful.
Yeah, I sing to your grandson, you know?
Yeah. No, sir. It's past to me for a long
Answer.
time, but... What is it?
Pew pew pew!
What is it? Hold up. Wait a minute. She passed. She kill him. Argument done.
Right, it's
Leavo. You, can you love Leavo so till? Marry Leavo. Me know. Leavo and
Yesterday.
boyfriend Christian.
But me don't kill him because I know who.
Well, what else we know?
Which other artist? Which other man look artist?
I don't know them.
Escape.
Oh, Lombos.
Me love Lombos.
Me love Lombos too, but me coulda never there with your brother.
Staying up.
Brother, that me have to kill another one. Sorry.
You're dead for real.
Staying brother.
You have more, you know?
Do you know for them, you know?
But me don't know them
Like,
like.
try. You don't fuck Skilly Ben?
Who the hell is that? What's a
You
skilly
know
bang?
me at all. You want to sing a song with me?
Nah, fuck no scammer, no, nobody come.
Alright, look,
So
this kind of get weird now. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you so very much. Have a spamful day. What a blood clot. Have a blessed day. I don't know what the hell. Why many people them still so...
Brand new class,